Opposition MPs criticized the government on Thursday regarding the deportation of 104 illegal Indian immigrants from the United States. They demanded for a discussion in Parliament over the inhuman treatment the deportees faced, which included shackling their arms and legs when they were transported to India in a US military aircraft which arrived in Amritsar last night. A large group of opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Congress, along with Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, gathered outside the main gate of the Parliament building. They held placards reading "Humans, not prisoners" and wore handcuffs as part of their protest. Samajwadi Party MP Akhilesh Yadav on Thursday hid out at the Indian migrants being handcuffed and chained during their journey from US to India.
ये बंदी बनाकर के जो लाने का काम हुआ है, अब विश्व गुरु और विश्व गुरु बनने का रास्ता क्या है? ऐसा ही होगा विश्व गुरु बनने का रास्ता कि आपके भारतीय लोगों को हथकड़ी लगा करके भेजा जाएगा भारत.
The major concern here seems to revolve around the use of shackles and military aircraft to deport the Indian illegal immigrants. Previously, the US used chartered passenger planes to deport illegal immigrants without handcuffing them. The shift to military aircraft is being seen as President Donald Trump's way of delivering a strong message. The Trump administration has increasingly relied on the military to enforce its immigration policies, using military aircraft for deportations and opening military bases to accommodate migrants. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi reacts to Indian migrants deported from the US.
ये कहूँगी कि बहुत बातें की गई कि मोदी जी ट्रंप जी बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं और मोदी जी ने ऐसे क्यों होने दिया? क्या हम अपना जहाज नहीं भेज सकते थे उनको लेने के लिए? इस तरह से क्या इंसानों के साथ बर्ताव किया जाता है कि उनको हथकड़ियाँ पहना के बेड़ियाँ पहना के भेजा यहाँ पे?
There are an estimated 20,000 undocumented Indians living in the US. Both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were adjourned until noon after MPs from Congress, Samajwadi Party, Trinamool, Aam Aadmi Party and the Communist Party of India submitted adjournment notices under Rule 267, which calls for setting aside scheduled business. These notices were all rejected, leading to strong reactions from opposition MPs, many of whom stood in protest and shouted their objections. In the heated exchange that followed, Rajya Sabha Deputy Chair Harivansh Narayan Singh struck the MP's remarks from the record. The deportation and the criticism of the Modi government comes just days ahead of the Indian Prime Minister's visit to the US, where he is scheduled to meet President Trump in Washington, D.C. on February 12. The issue of handling illegal immigrants has been a significant topic of discussion between India and the US since President Trump took office last month and is expected to be addressed during Modi's talk with Trump.